Alden, it's your update. Yan, post ni Alden sa kanyang Facebook account. Yan, may big announcement si Alden for Casino Plus mamayang 8 PM. Ito yung video.
Hello guys, may big announcement ako. Find out mamayang gabi, 8 PM yan sa live stream ng Casino Plus page. Kaya huwag kang mawawala. Kita-kits tayong lahat doon by 8 PM.
Yun o. Ito, another event ni Alden for Casino Plus. Hero for All Lunch. Grabe, back-to-back yung mga event ni Alden. Ito yung video.
Pag-prioritize sa iba is merong kapupuntahang maganda. At yun na nga yung nangyari sa iyo ngayon. Kasi nga po, we already call OFWs the modern heroes because of the huge sacrifice they make, especially for their do something to recognize their positive impact on our communities. So once again po, we invite everyone to be part of this movement. Kung meron kayong kilalang makabagong bayani, you can nominate them through our official channels. At naniniwala po kami ng Casino Plus at ng AR Foundation na maraming bayaning Pilipino na naghihintay lang din ang pagkakataon na makatulong at maka-inspire sa kanilang komunidad. And of course, doing, nilalagay nila yung needs of others prior to theirs in the community without being recognized. So they're the so-called unsung heroes of our society. And I'm just so proud and happy that we were able to come up with this, of course, Casino Plus, to give recognition to these individuals because
Ito, may nagbigay pa nga ng cookies kay Alden, yung hawak niya. Saka may kasama pang drinks. Ito yung video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is with Charging Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.